the paint feature in my Oculus, so I'm going to give this a try. Oh. I don't know why it's asking. Oh, because I said the O word. So, yeah, there is voice recognition in here. So you just got to watch this. We're going to try PaintVR. So hopefully PaintVR will let me do this. Let's just call up. There we go. So there's my paint canvas. And I'm just going to do a quick draw. Pretty cool. So, okay, the joystick will let me move through there. We've got the menu, which is, whoops. Gotta watch out which button I'm using. Let's get this menu back up. No, that's not what I wanted. It says that as a menu. Okay, so I can choose a paint mode. I can move mode and utilities. What do we got? Flat brush, star brush, rounded brush, polka, watercolor, leaf brush, polka dot brush. Turn the menu off. Doesn't look like polka dots. Let's try that again. Don't know why it's doing polka dots. Let's just, there we go. So the front joystick won't, I have to use the trackpad joystick part to make the polka dots. These are train tracks. Thought it said polka dots. Maybe I double clicked on the wrong thing, so. All right. Let's see where I am. Hold on a second. All right. That looks pretty good. Let's go back. Okay. So let's just go back and it says polka dot brush, but that looks like train tracks. Let's try watercolor. That's some nice watercolor, I guess. Got crayon brush. Let's try crayon brush. That's not too bad. Let's just get rid of that. What else we got? Ink brush. Move mode. And paint mode. Let's. It's not letting me do line tool. Maybe it's because I need to have like a flat brush. Yeah, there we go. So this will do a line. Instead of a drawing. So now we have hello in red. Let's change the color here. Let's go a little blue. And we'll do that. Let's move on the paintbrush. Okay. Oh, interesting. Oops. Let's resume. So, oh, I don't want the lines anymore. Let's go back here. Let's undo that. Let's go back to paint mode. Let's go to a sharp brush. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So I am going back over here. I want it behind so I can go like that. Hopefully I won't hit the table while I'm doing this. I suppose I can get a bigger line going. Oh, that turns it. Okay, let's do that. So now, I think I gotta. Why isn't it? Huh. Let's get out. Let's go back in. There we go. Oh yeah, it's a lot bigger line. I could have a lot of fun with this. Hello. Hello, my friends. Hello. All right. How do we move this? Let's go here. It's in my face. So we can save that. Let's save it in A. And then we can bomb it. Let's bomb it. Boom. There it goes. Okay, this is some sort of mountainside, and I'm assuming this is to bring some... Oh, no, that's pause. Okay. I was hoping it would bring in a picture or something like that. So... Oh, I see. So if I do yellow like that and go like that, there we go. Now we're yellow. Okay, so let's do a nice black. Let's bring this down. And here we go. Let's change the color a little bit. Oops. Let's see. Right about there. Oh, wait. No. I want it. Something like that. There we go. That's good enough. Let's change this to this brush. And we'll get out of here. And then we'll bring in some eyebrows and a mouth. And maybe. There we go. There's an eye. There's an eye. Whoa. What the heck happened there? I'll just undo that. And we'll give him a nose. Is there an eraser button? I do not see an eraser. Let's try the move mode. Ah, so now I can move it back. There you go. It'll give me a weird stick figure body. There you go. It's kind of in 3D. So that's the paint feature on Oculus, PaintVR. So that's pretty sweet. All right. See you guys later. Maybe. Okay, here we go. See you guys later.